Shopee products with big discounts, Part 3. Sunglasses, raincoat, cap case, adult diaper, cat food, nebulizer inhaler, motorcycle seat cover, DIY dishwashing liquid kit, tissue, dog diaper, heat shrink tube, cat litter sand, cable and adapter protector kit, pet training pad, earbuds, armor wax, wireless mouse, smartwatch, PowerPoint pen, USB port, solar camping light, photo sticker paper, charging cable, men's pants, unisex polo shirt, blade fan, half slippers, hoodie hat, cable, LCD replacement, digital humidifier, training pads, sandals for men, tissue paper, baby diaper pants, spin mop pole handle, ceiling fan, liquid detergent DIY kit, dishwashing liquid, steel wire brush, can opener, car spray air freshener, fly killer, network cable tester tool set, slippers, sleeping mouth tape, compression shirts, sandals for women, bulb camera, tempered glass, drainer rack, outdoor shade, baby diapers, slippers, unisex sandals, pliers crimping tool, air freshener, headlight, Wi-Fi router, sweatshorts, cotton shirts, cat food, pet diapers, liquid laundry detergent, angle ruler, magnetic Bluetooth speaker, car cleaning brush kit, motorcycle side mirror, insect repellent, vinyl sticker.